welcome back to the channel. I am so happy to have you here today. We are going to make a super yummy hazelnut chocolate granola bar on the go. This is something you can grab with you to have with you after a meal or for breakfast with your coffee. This is no sugar, no gluten, no additives. It's very clean eating, very easy to make. I guarantee you can make it. If you just find my channel today, I make recipe videos. I make videos about keto and intermittent fasting lifestyle. I share my tips and how-tos and weight loss journey, of course, and products I love and use. So if you like what you see here, hit the red subscribe button and stick around. Okay, very first step, preheat the oven for 135 Celsius, folks, and you can do that an hour before about. And now let's see the ingredients. You will need a monk fruit sweetener. I like this because this is zero glycemic and 0 calories and tastes like sugar, but you can do it with xylitol or stevia, anything you like. Coconut oil, almond butter, half a cup of almonds, half a cup of hazelnut, melted grass-fed butter, vanilla, and grounded psyllium husk, and this what will all go into this food processor. You add half a cup of hazelnut, half a cup of almond. You add 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of grounded psyllium husk. You will add a teaspoon of vanilla, like a flat teaspoon. Very good. You add 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, 4 tablespoons of monk fruit, or the choice of your sweetener. Everything I use I will link in the description box below, you can check it out. And you will add 2 tablespoons of organic raw almond butter. This is probably 2 tablespoons. Very good, and now we will mix everything together. Alright, you use your spatula and help the food processor a bit. Move the rest over from the sides. If you find it's a little bit dry, like in my case, then add more coconut oil, and this is what we will do. I will add 3 more tablespoons of coconut oil. And then we give it a new mix. Very good. Now you see, it's more sticking together. It's easier to press down and work with. This is what you need. And now, very carefully, I will try to remove the knife. Be careful when you do that. And now we will add the chocolate. I will add 1.4 ounces, what is 40 grams of dark unsweetened chocolate. The best to use Lily's chocolate or Baker's chocolate. This is a 90% chocolate I could find in the store. That works also very well. And now you just stir it together. Very good, and now we can do a taste try before we move on. It's really nice. It's not too sweet. Very good. Now you need your form. You need a form like this and baking paper in it. Like this, and now you will pour into the mixture here everything. Very good. And now you use your hands to press it down as much as you can and together. And now this is ready to go into the oven for 35 minutes on 135 Celsius. Okay, so this babe is done. I will take it out, let it to cool down, and I will get back to you. These baby, the hazelnut chocolate granola bars are ready. It's fully cooled down, and at this point we will cut it up into slices or bars. Okay, so here all our hazelnut and chocolate granola bars. They are super tasty, perfect snacks for anyone to go to school or grab and go. So if you liked it, hit the like button and don't forget to share the recipe and tag me in it, living keto. And see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.